and don't make any mistakes. Ready, steady, go!
Japanese is a good language to learn. It's becoming more and more important as a language of international business. Many people think that Japanese is too difficult to learn. This may be true for the written language, but spoken Japanese is actually not so difficult. You'll soon pick up a lot of useful expressions. But one thing to remember when you speak Japanese is that there are both formal and informal forms. As a foreigner, it's best if you use the formal forms, but it's still good to be able to understand the informal forms. I'm really glad that so many foreigners are beginning to learn Japanese. My English isn't so good, so this way I won't have to worry about trying to speak in English. However, I'm not sure that Japanese is so easy to learn. Even we Japanese have difficulty speaking correct Japanese, so a foreigner is really going to have a hard time of it. Of course, people will be understanding. They know that you are a foreigner, so they won't expect perfect Japanese. In fact, they enjoy hearing foreigners speak Japanese with a funny accent.
That was much better. That was very good.